Hello viewers. Today I will be teaching how to remove acne and pimples using Photoshop. So, let's start. First, open your image in Photoshop. Now create a new layer. Select the healing brush tool. Untick the aligned option. Select all layer option. Now, press and hold Alt key and click on the clear skin as I do. Start clicking on the pimples and acne. Keep clicking until you get the desired skin tone. Now select the lasso tool and select the area of lips. Create a new solid color layer and select the color of your choice. In this case I am choosing red color. Go to blending options and click on overlay. Reduce the opacity. We are done here. Let's have a look at final output. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials.